How to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. Let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Then what you have to do is enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network issues. Next up, what you have to do is check your device storage. For that, go to General, navigate to the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can offload or delete the unused apps. Then update your Roblox app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Roblox. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you are getting the issue, what you have to do is completely delete your Roblox app and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete, then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Roblox and then install it. With this solution, your Roblox should work. So this is how you can easily fix Roblox not loading on mobile. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.